Hi guys, thanks for tuning back in. So we're going to show you this McLaren Diagnostic Tool, which has been made by Autel, and we'll pop the link to this kit in the description below this video. But the reason for making this video is we wanted to show you the systems that it will cover when hooking this up to a 650S. The Coupe and the Spyder. Let me just come out of what we've previously been doing, because we've previously done a video on the 675. So if we go into manual selection, we've already gone into the McLaren section of the tool, so don't worry about that. We're just kind of showing you up close with the screens that matter. So the 650, we've got the 650S, Coupe and Spyder right here, and I'm going to go into 650S, say the Coupe version for an example, 2018 model, and we'll just click OK. So it's going to give us three options. We can either do an auto scan of the vehicle, but we're not hooked up to a vehicle, so we're going to do control unit and hot function. So if we go to control unit, then what it's going to show us now is all of the systems that it will cover. So all of the main systems like the engines, the airbags, the ABS, transmission, electronic stability control, electronic park and brake, instrument cluster, steering angle sensor, and a few others, door modules, seat modules. So those are the kind of the systems that it will cover. If you all had a warning light associated with these systems, you can diagnose it, reset it, check live data with them. And then if we come out of this, you can also do some service functions, which for this car include the oil service reset and the electronic park and brake reset. So if you're changing the brakes, you'll need to open up the electronic park and brake. So that is for the 650S Coupe and Spyder. And as I say, we'll pop the link to this kit in the description below this video, but you can pick it up at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. Or if you've got any further questions about the tool, then by all means, please do email us. The email address will be below, and we can answer them for you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.